Okay, good morning, guys. Afternoon, actually. Let's have lunch. So this was made by my husband, Gary.
Yep.
So this is his favorite lunch, but mine too. Okay, I'm just gonna explain to you guys one by one. Oh yeah, with the HP sauce, with the brown sauce. So this one is black pudding. Maybe you may be wondering. I'm gonna talk Tagalog, okay? Ano siya? Dugo. Ito yung parang Betamax sa atin. So, meron din sila, ayan o, blood.
Yeah.
And then, bacon. British bacon. And then, kinamay ko na. Nagugas naman ako. Square sausage. Yan.
Yeah.
And then, Tati's cone.
Tati's
Of course, it's not complete without the brown sauce. So that's the tower. And let's put this brown sauce. Yeah.
Wow.
I'll put here on the side.
That tastes amazing, that.
Hindi ako pala sauce, kaya naglalagay ng konti. Wow, konti lang yan. So big. Okay, so we put this one like that. And then, flatten it.
Yeah.
So you can eat it. You see?
That's good, that.
My husband's there.
Already eating mine.
Yeah. Right. That's it. You can still see the smoke.
Like it?
Very good.
Miss this every day when I was away.
They call this sausage roll. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, isn't it?
The layer. Sayang. And I just there. Having a snacks. Banana. What is having? Yeah? You want more? Just one last one. Yeah? You just had your lunch. It's really good that they have this here. Snacks. I don't think I can find one in the Philippines or in the province. So Elijah is 7 months now and he still don't have teeth, but it's okay. You see, it's safe.
You like that? Is that good?
Is it good? Is it good? Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. All right. That's it. Very good. I'm just gonna finish this anyway. Big bite. Just look at the layer.
That's amazing, isn't it? Very good, Elijah.
Wow. Smoke. See?
Excellent.
Okay, that's it. I'll finish it all, okay? Bye-bye.